Don't forget to like, subscribe and share the videos.
Hello all. It's pleasure to meet you all. It's a warm welcome to you. See, this is the new session in the Ganesh IAS Academy. It's about discussion of the previous year UPSC prelims questions, in which today we are going to see about the economic questions. Okay. See, this session is to give you the knowledge about how to approach a question, okay, and also how to revise the topics before the exam, okay, and also I will give you the brief introduction to every topics, and also I will give the analysis of every questions, okay, and also this this session will be like it will give you the idea about how to handle a tough question, and also how to manage the questions, and also I will give the input about from where these questions are they are asking. Likewise, I will give you a brief intro towards every questions, okay. So you can use this session as how to approach the 2024 prelims, because if you know that these are the source they are the UPSC is using means, then you can specifically use those sources, okay. So in such a way it will give the idea to crack the prelims 2024, okay. By just doing analysis of the 2023 and the previous year questions like 2023, 2022, 2021 questions, we will get to know that how the prelims questions are they are asking, from where they are just plucking the questions, okay. So in such a way we are going to analyze it, okay. See, okay, what the discussion is focused on. First thing is priority for a question. There is 100 question and you have a 2 hours. From where you will start, which question you will choose, okay, because what I will do is usually I will do with I divide the time period as 1 hour, okay. In the first 1 hour I will try to crack every easy questions, okay. The easy question means the pattern wise it's a easy question, okay. I'm not speaking about your knowledge, okay. In the pattern wise the question will be easy. So if the pattern wise it's easy means you will have a short thought over the question, and if you are gave the answer to that question means you will have a definite confidence over the answers, okay. So in such a way next one now you can easily manage the question, okay. Then another next hour you can easily crack the toughest question with some strategies, or else there is a tricks to solve some tricky questions also, okay. That things we will discuss, okay. That is the first thing we are going to do. Next is how to approach a question, okay. The present day the question is not about your aptitude, okay. It is all about your attitude towards the question. See, present day 2023 and 2022, 2021 all questions are, when think from the aptitude point of view it is a easy question, okay. But when comes to the attitude, psychological part, it is more tougher question, okay. Because present day they come with a new idea called this is the new way of question making, okay. How many of the above statements are correct, which means without knowing about every statements, okay, the question may contains 3 statements, 2 statements, even 5 or 6 statements, okay. So in such a scenario, without knowing every statement you can't answer a question, okay. So it is a toughest question, okay. Earlier the pattern will be totally different, okay. choose the best answer, or else the question will be like which of the following are correct. Okay, they will just make a question as 1 and 2, or else 1 2 3 only, or else all the above. Okay, in such a way the question pattern will be. So it is easy to crack the question, because if you know about one statement is right or wrong, means you can easily crack it, because of you can do this with elimination strategy. Okay, it is called as elimination strategy. Usually aspirants use this elimination strategy. Okay, but UPSC is more forecasting. Okay, they know how will you crack the question, so they come with a new idea called how many of the above statements are correct. So in such a question, without knowing whether this question is whether the statement is right or wrong, you can't touch that question itself. Okay, in such a way they are making a question, sir. So we are going to discuss about that also. Okay, next we are also going to speak about the difficulty level of the question. Okay, in which aptitude part and also attitude part. Okay, such a way we will speak about the difficulty of the questions. Okay, last thing is the source of the question, from where the UPSC is getting such a question. Okay, such a way we are going to analyze that, based on which you will get a clear picture what UPSC is actually doing. Okay, so such a way you can get a clear picture. By that you can approach the 2024 exam, means it is easy for you to crack it. Okay, for that only this special session is doing. Okay, see present day, see earlier since 2021 the question is more of how to say, it is not about your aptitude. Okay, it is more of your attitude only. Okay, so it is just trying to play with your psychology. So in such a way, if you have a calmness in your approach, means you can definitely crack it. Okay, so don't get frightened of some questions. Okay, so just leave the question and come after some time, then you will easily answer the question. Okay, such a types of question also there. Okay, so it's easy one. Okay, let's solve it and then